Welcome to this quick guide on how to add a scheduled channel video chat title on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you're managing a Telegram channel and want to keep your audience informed about upcoming live video chats, adding a clear and engaging title is a must. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this done. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure your app is updated to the newest version to have access to all the latest features. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to schedule your video chat. This should be a channel you manage or have admin permissions for. Once you're in the channel, locate and open the scheduled video chat. If you haven't scheduled one yet, create the video chat schedule as usual to proceed. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open additional options. From the menu, select Edit Livestream Title. This is the feature that lets you personalize the title of your scheduled video chat. A text box will appear allowing you to enter your desired title. Make sure your title is clear and appealing so your viewers know exactly what to expect when they join the chat. After typing in the title, simply click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your scheduled video chat now has a custom title that will appear to all your channel members, helping you to set the tone and theme in advance. This feature is fantastic for promoting upcoming streams in an organized and professional way. Try it out for your next live event on Telegram and keep your audience engaged and informed with ease. Thanks for watching.